Hello everyone. So now let's see how to write IEEE research paper using LaTeX. So for this I am using Overleaf, which is an online version of LaTeX. So for that what you have to do, just open your browser and type Overleaf, overleaf.com. So now you can see that to work in overleaf.com you need to register in this particular site. As I'm already a registered user of overleaf.com, so I have many papers which I have make using the Overleaf. So now when you just register in this particular site, you will be able to write a research paper in a very easy manner for a standard journal like IEEE or any journal you want to target for your research paper. So after registration and when you just get login into this particular website, what you have to do, we have different options here. So just click on new project and we have another different options like rank project, example project. So as we are talking about that writing a research paper of IEEE, so just click academic journal. Now search for IEEE conference template or LaTeX template. So you can see various templates are there. Otherwise you can search from this list. Just click IEEE official templates. So now you will get different options related to the conference papers of IEEE standard. So these are various options. Which option you want to select, just click on that. Suppose for now I'm selecting this one, that is the IEEE conference template. Just click on it. Now to use this particular template, just click open as template. Now first of all you can see various options are here. Maybe you will not understand all these things. So first of all, don't worry about all these things. What they have written, they are simply comments or various options are there. We will discuss that all one by one. So these are the code part of the paper and this is the output paper which will be which is like we get at the end of or while completing the content of this paper. So you can see the layout of this paper or formatting of this paper is perfect. It is totally related to IEEE. So after completion you will able to download this paper in the PDF format. So now let's see one by one. So what these are. So now you can see here we have conference paper title. So just simply select or search for conference paper template or conference paper title here. So you can simply find it here. Here it is. Let me just increase the size of my screen so that you will be able to see better. So now here you can see title, conference paper title. So let me just change this particular title, like I'm writing data mining tools and techniques. After changing this title, just click on recompile. So now you can see that the title of this particular paper has been changed. Now in this particular template we have 6 authors. So if you want only 2 authors or 3, so you can remove these all, like 4, 5, 6 you want to delete. Okay, so for that what you have to do, just search for the author name, that is the first given name, that is this one. So given name, let me write Shikha Verma. Okay, department name, Okay, I am writing Department of Computer Science. Okay, name of organization with affiliation or what you want to write, like writing Sanatan Dharma College. Okay. City Ambala. We want to write country here, India. And see, here you can see the option of email address or Orchid ID, which we have discussed in the previous session. So here you can see the Orchid play an important role. Okay, so just change your email ID, that is shikha@sd collegeambala.ac.in. So after making changes, what you have to do, just recompile. So now see, let me show you in the full screen part. See here, so changes has been made, like the name, author name Shikha Verma, Department of Computer Science, the name of college, that is the Sanatan Dharam College, Ambala Kent, or only I just write Ambala, then India, and the email address. So by this way you can change the author names as well. Now suppose you want only two authors. Okay, so for adding authors we have used, this is the /n. /n means the next author. Okay, and if you don't want this author, suppose you want only two authors, just delete these authors from here and here and this one. Okay, so now just click on recompile. So now see, only two authors are there. Okay, so in this way you can add or remove the authors. Okay, now another thing, important thing that I want to show you, that is here at the end of each entry, like the name or the Department of Computer Science, double slash is there. So in LaTeX, double slash is for new line. Wherever you want that the text will come in the next line, just write this double slash, then the text will come in the next line. Okay, by this way you can add authors. So now let me tell you one more thing. Suppose you have some special character in your email address, like underscore, that is, suppose I am writing Shikha underscore 123. so when you just click on recompile, you see the output. See, you will not get underscore here. Okay, so to get underscore in this LaTeX format, what you have to do, just write a slash here before the underscore and just click on recompile. Now by this way you will get underscore with your email address. Okay, I'll just mentioning backslash before the underscore, you will get underscore in the paper. So this is all about the title and the authors.